Granny Cooks for Me. AI is one of the most intriguing and innovative tools I've seen recently, and if you're curious about it, you're in the right place. This software, just released, is revolutionizing how we think about meal planning and cooking, using cutting-edge AI to create personalized recipes based on your preferences and dietary needs. But before you dive in, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Trust me, these points will help you get the most out of this tool and decide if it's the right fit for you. First, let's talk about the core function of Granny Cooks for Me. This software takes the guesswork out of meal prep by analyzing your preferences, restrictions, and even ingredients you have on hand. It's like having a personal chef that tailors every meal just for you. Whether you're vegan, keto, gluten-free, or just picky, Granny Cooks for Me will suggest recipes that match your dietary needs. Now, a key feature that sets Granny Cooks for Me apart from similar tools is its advanced AI. Unlike many meal planning apps, this software adapts to your tastes over time. As you use it more, it gets better at understanding your preferences. This means no more trial and error with bland or boring meals. You'll get suggestions that are spot on with every use. What's really exciting is the ease of use. Setting up an account and inputting your food preferences is quick. Once that's done, Granny Cooks for Me will suggest meals based on the ingredients you already have, reducing food waste and saving you money. It also allows you to upload photos of ingredients, so if you're unsure about a recipe, you can easily get suggestions for what to do with whatever is in your fridge right now. Another standout feature is the integration of smart shopping lists. The AI generates a shopping list based on the meals it suggests, so you'll never forget an ingredient. This is especially helpful for busy individuals who might not have time to plan or go to the store frequently. But here's the best part. You can try Granny Cooks for Me completely free from the first link below. The free trial lets you experience all of these features without any commitment, so you can decide for yourself if this AI tool is a game changer. One thing to note, however, is that Granny Cooks for Me works best when you're consistent with it. The more feedback you provide, the more it learns about your preferences, which means the meal suggestions just keep getting better. Don't be surprised if it starts recommending meals you didn't even know you loved. Also, it's important to mention that Granny Cooks for Me isn't just a recipe generator, it's a full meal planning system. If you're looking for more than just recipes and want something that can truly organize your weekly meals, this software is exactly what you need. The AI doesn't just suggest what to cook, it organizes your meals in a way that works with your lifestyle, whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family. And finally, Granny Cooks for Me is still in its early stages, which means there's a lot of potential for new features and improvements. If you're one of the first to try it out, you'll be able to experience and influence the development of this software. Now, before you go, I have a list of my recommended AI tools in the description below that you can try for free, including my personal favorites after testing thousands of AI software. Trust me, these tools are the best in their class and will help you achieve more in your digital life. So, if you're ready to take your cooking game to the next level with Granny Cooks for Me AI, click the link below and start your free trial today. It's an exciting time to dive into the world of AI-assisted cooking, and this software is a must-try for anyone looking to simplify their meal planning. Remember to check out the other AI software in the description as well after trying this out. You'll thank me later.